What's up everybody, it's Josh from the Underground Garage. I'm back on the twin turbo LS swap Mustang. Car goes to the dyno here in a couple of days, so in the short roads, just about got it done. I've been messing with it some here and there. Some of the stuff I got done, I put a methanol system on the car, wideband O2, the coolant overflow tank, I got the PCV system squared away, some stuff like that. The stuff left to do before it goes to the dyno here in a couple days. I gotta get an alignment on the car. Obviously I gotta put the fenders, the front fascia, that sort of stuff back on it. There's a handful of things I need to reassemble on the interior, but for the most part it's ready to go. The dyno appointment's tomorrow. So the next video should be the results of the dyno, see what it breaks or see what kind of power it makes. So thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one for the dyno results.